Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using Electrify America Pass for charging discounts, full guide step by step clearly. To enable using the Electrify America Pass for charging discounts, begin by visiting the Electrify America website or downloading their mobile app. Create an account if you haven't already. Make sure to provide all the required information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your account. Navigate to the Pass section of the site or app. Select the option to purchase an Electrify America Pass. Review the different plans available to choose the one that best suits your needs. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase. After purchasing, check for any discounts or promotional offers that may apply. Once your pass is activated, it will be linked to your account. Now you can easily locate charging stations in the app or on the website. At a charging station, scan your Electrify America Pass QR code or enter your account information on the screen. Follow the prompts to initiate the charging session. During checkout, ensure the discount is applied before confirming your payment. Monitor your session progress through the app for updates and completion notifications. After charging, review your session details and receipt in your account. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy discounted charging with your Electrify America Pass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.